AA and Woody? That's Buzz Lightyear and Woody, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. Sweet boy. I'm gonna lay this on it. I'm gonna clean everything real quick and put this as the backsplash. I want to get done before my husband gets home. He said it's gonna take him longer than he thought. So I already cooked our chicken and stuff, so just waiting on him to get home, but I'm gonna try to beat him and prove him wrong. Step one, clean it. Special thing I bought to help me get some paint on. This. Daddy's home. The bed? Is it the bed? Yeah, it's the top. Oh, Zion. Zion. That's not the whole bed. Hey, honey, come here. I want to show you something.
That's okay. Okay.
Hey. Wow, wow, wow.
Oh.
These gonna look better than we thought. It's a black on black.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. I can see that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So just for now, until we can get some stuff.
For now, yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, this ain't definitely not permanent. So I'm just starting on the second one. That's how I did it. Just kind of fold the edges and kind of see what works best for you. Probably peel the whole back off, because you can work with it. And then I'm gonna do as much as I can till I run out of it. Real quick, you see where it's got a black border all around it. To make it look like it's gonna keep going, I'm just gonna cut this black strip off and match it up.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Mom.
You give me a big smile? Some of the last spots I did was behind the microwave. You can tell it's definitely not like matching or anything, but like right here. And I tried really hard, you know, the first two. Then I noticed I was getting this bottom too much. I could fix it, but honestly I'm tired. It took me too long to do it. When I got to the outlets, let me show you what I used. So I actually already had these. It's like a putty knife. or I don't know what it's called, scraper. But I would use it like if I was, before you take the paper off and stuff, get up here and just start getting it with the indentation, so when it folds you can cut it. And then for the outlets, I did the same thing. I laid it on it and I made sure it stayed where it was, where I was wanting to keep it, and I would just go around it like that, and then it would make a little outline, and just cut from the bottom closest to the thing all the way up, because it won't matter if this is cut, because it's going to go back down and you ain't going to be able to tell. But I would recommend cutting a little bit less. Yeah, actually do cut a little bit less than you think, like with squares and stuff, because after you get done cutting it and you lay it back down, before you take the paper, the sticky stuff off, put it back and make sure it fits, and then get it just right, then try it. And it's still hard to lay it down even when you get it, but my husband likes it. I think it does look better than what it did before. This corner was so hard. I tried to put it all together in one piece, and I was like, cut it in half instead of just trying to keep it, you know. And then right here is when I really got fed up. Anyways, let me see that. You see that line right here? It is nice to have something to scrape. Even if you have a credit card, that would work. This right here, you can see a little gap right there where I cut for the where I cut for the outlet. I didn't put it together perfectly, but seriously, by this point I was so tired I didn't care, and I left the black line up instead of cutting it and trying to make it match. I just said forget it. And then this part, look at that. I do have extra pieces that I can fix it from. Honestly, even black electrical tape. That might look a little weird, but it would work still. And then got it behind the sink. Not perfect, but I did it. And this is what it looks like. I mean, compared to the before, I would say definitely better. Especially if you like the farmhouse stuff. This is all Dollar Tree. This was only 6 of them. So look at the size of my microwave and you can kind of guess how much you'll need. But this was 6. I got 2 more I'm going to put over where we keep our coffee and stuff. So the whole kitchen will be done. But just for now, until one day we can actually afford to renovate, you know. It's going to be a while though. Hope you like it. Tell me what you think. Does it look cheap? You can see the wrinkles. Or do you think it actually looks better than before? You know, like where it's folded in the pack when you get it. Those ain't coming out. Maybe if you got a blow dryer, but I wouldn't do it. Oh, we have used these before when we lived in an apartment just as a backsplash for the sink. Do not put it on a wall if you're renting, because that sticky stuff will stay. But this stuff works. Yeah?
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Yes, for this.
Okay. Alright, that's it. Bye.